Do you think project management has a future?
Absolutely. According to the Project Management Institute, the demand for project managers is growing faster than the supply. And with the rise of technology and complex projects, project management skills will only become more critical.
What are some future trends in project management?
One trend is the increased use of agile methodologies, which allow for flexibility and adaptability in the face of changing project requirements. Another trend is the integration of AI and automation into project management processes.
Wow, that's interesting. What about career opportunities after project management?
There are many paths you can take, from program management to executive leadership. And with the skills you gain in project management, you can easily transition to other industries as well.
Is project management a good career in 2023?
Definitely. The demand for project managers is projected to grow by 33% by 2027, and the median salary for project managers is over $100,000 per year.
What are some benefits of project management?
Effective project management can lead to increased efficiency, higher productivity, improved quality, and better stakeholder satisfaction. Plus, it's a great way to develop leadership and communication skills.
What are some problems in project management?
Common issues include scope creep, poor communication, unclear requirements, and unrealistic timelines. But with proper planning and execution, these issues can be managed effectively.
What is AI in project management?
AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the use of technology to automate and optimize project management processes. For example, AI can be used to analyze project data, predict risks, and generate reports.
Is AI the future of project management?
AI will definitely play a bigger role in project management in the future, but it won't replace the need for human skills like leadership, communication, and critical thinking.
Which job will not be replaced by AI?
Jobs that require human skills like creativity, empathy, and problem solving are less likely to be replaced by AI. So, project management is a safe bet for the future.
What is the career growth for project managers?
The career growth for project managers is excellent, with many opportunities for advancement and professional development. And with the demand for project managers on the rise, the future looks bright.
Do project managers make good CEOs?
Absolutely. Many successful CEOs have a background in project management, as they possess the skills needed to lead and manage complex initiatives.
What age are most project managers?
According to the Project Management Institute, the average age of project managers is around 40 to 45 years old. But there are plenty of opportunities for people of all ages to get into the field.
Can project managers be millionaires?
Definitely. With the high demand for project management skills and the potential for career growth and advancement, project managers can earn a comfortable salary and achieve financial success.